dog's got it.
Alexander, you want that? Oh, come get the phone. Oh, Grandma's gonna see this. Good job.
Oh my God.
Good job.
Look at this kid.
Good job, baby.
Here, you get a treat.
What?
Okay.
Alexander, what a big boy, you crawling boy. Crawling boy.
That was awesome. What an awesome kid.
Here he goes back.
What a great kid.
Look at him, look at him. Good job.